Hello and welcome everyone. Today's video I'm going to show you here about help you how you actually started to unlink component in Figma. So unlinking component in Figma it's gonna be about to give you here some situational things still to be about to be satisfied with is ready to be important to deal with that. So first of all that's gonna be about to be important to deal with unlink, so you can actually go and start to click on circle or maybe throw that style which is about the rectangle. Now I about start to group. Now as you can see you can start to unlink component with right click again and then click on ungroup, which is really about be grouping or ungrouping anything. As you can see as well in this is going to be about to be satisfied with that is still about that. So real thing is about to be important to do that. Right click on ungroup, and that's absolutely all about to help you through this video.